This is PriceWell. We sit on top of Stripe, so you set up your products and your pricing in Stripe, and then you load up PriceWell, and we take care of the rest. So we have two different features: pricing pages and customer portals. So the pricing pages we'll go through first. It's a really easy point and click UI here. We just show you all your Stripe products. You choose which ones you want to put in your pricing table. You select them and fill in all the information, give it a name, add some kind of bullet points, and you can change the buttons, and then you get a nice little handy snippet at the end which integrates with your Bubble or your React app. You just paste this into your site, and in the end you get a nice little pricing table included. Looks something like this. When a customer clicks on here, we launch a Stripe checkout session. When they pay and they subscribe to your plan, you can send them back to wherever you like on your website or in your app. And it's really that simple. So what we provide on top really of Stripe is that you don't have to build any of this in yourself. You don't need to know it. The next bit is customer portals. So if your customers are paying and they want to manage their subscription, this is linked to your pricing page. We know exactly which plans you can upgrade or downgrade to. We've got the two different options here. If you know the Stripe ID or the email address of your customer, we can generate a button, or this is completely customizable, of course, that you can use your own button, and it launches a Stripe customer portal when you click this button. If you don't store the email address or the Stripe ID of your customers, you can have this input here which lets them enter their email address, and they will be sent a link directly to the customer portal. And of course you can configure anything that you can do within Stripe. Payment method updates, so changing credit cards, whether they can change plan, cancel their subscription, download and print off all their invoices. All of that's configurable within here, and then at the end, again, you get a little snippet to add to your website, and you just replace your customer's email in here, if that's something that you know. So the big advantage here is once you've embedded these snippets, you can do everything from within PriceWell. So if you need to change pricing, you can need to add a new plan, you can do that all within here, and you never need to make any development updates. You can switch between test and live mode super easily. And any questions, just let me know. Hope to hear